Hi everyone, my name is Aditya Malapalli, and today I will show you how you can create your own smart doorbell, like the Ring doorbell, just using a Raspberry Pi and the camera. Just real quick, running through the setup I have in my house. As you can see, I have the Raspberry Pi and the camera on this table over here, looking out of this window beside my front door. And here's a zoomed in image of the Raspberry Pi on top of this popsicle stick. I'm using a stand made out of a ripped up tissue box and some tape. So now let's go through the algorithm that basically makes this thing tick. So essentially what this Python program will be doing is it'll be taking two images of an area of interest, comparing the two to see if anyone has entered that area of interest. If someone has, it'll start taking a video recording, and once the video recording is over, it will upload that to Dropbox, and it will send me an email and a text message notification letting me know, hey, someone's come to your front door. So first we're going to import everything that you need. And actually, before that, you want to ensure that your Raspberry Pi is lined up correctly. So we're just going to take an image, and this is what using Raspi still. And this is what the Raspberry Pi sees looking out of the window beside my front door. And we're only going to take a portion of this to use as our comparison. So here we're creating a function called mask image, which is essentially taking just a portion of that picture, our area of interest, converting that to grayscale, blurring it, and shrinking it, just to speed up processing time. Here it's going to tell us how many times it's gone through the loop. Here it takes two images to compare. Here it's going to mask the images using the function above. Here it's going to compare the two pixels and pixel by pixel. Then it's going to sum the array. It's going to create a new video file here. It's going to write the masked images to the file. Here it's going to upload the video to Dropbox. Here it's going to send me an email with the images. And here it's going to send me a text message to make sure I am aware that, someone has been detected. And if nothing else happens, if no change is detected, we're just going to print nothing detected to the screen. So let's give this code a try with my wonderful mother, who will be walking up to our front door, and we can see if the program works. So right now we're just waiting. It's running through the loop and it's saying nothing has been detected. Okay, and something has been detected. Right now it's running through the code. It created the recording. It uploaded the file to Dropbox. It sent me an email, and now it's going back through the loop. And that sound that you heard was my cell phone receiving the message. All right, and now that the program has terminated, let's go and see what happened. All right, so we have the doorbell video, and it started its detection as my mom was walking up to the front door, and there's her waving. Okay, and if we tab over to my email, I've received an email from AKT Raspberry Pi, which is the name of my Pi. And it has all the images listed. So as you can see down here, with the mask, it's compared the two. You can see how it's changed when my mom is walking into the picture. And this is what it's actually comparing, the grayscale images. And here's a screenshot of the text message from Twilio that gets sent to my phone. And our program is complete.